What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're finally doing some truck content. Finally. Today is Saturday. I work today, but the Buckeye game is also today, and whenever that happens, it's pretty dead at work. Like very, very dead. And last I checked, we don't really have anything scheduled to do. So if you can tell by today's title and thumbnail of today's video, we're doing some exhaust content, as you can see there. Oh buddy, as you can tell, we got some exhaust stuff coming. Hopefully it sounds good, we shall see. But I'm gonna be on my way to work here just in a second, just about to hop in the truck now. But before we get into all this craziness, make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you get that bell notification on, because I know it's been a while since we posted, but we are seriously getting some content together for you guys. As you saw, that last video of the drag strip was pretty... It wasn't as good as I'd liked it to be as far as me going fast, but it was a good time, and that's the kind of content we want to bring your way. So we got some stuff with Andy's car coming up soon, and hopefully maybe he starts buying stuff for his truck too, like I've been doing, but we shall see. But anyway, I'm gonna get on the road and we'll see you guys when we get there. All right, guys, we made it to work. As you can see, the truck's pulled in my stall. Mbrp sitting over there. All I gotta do is rack it up and pull the sucker apart, so let's get to it. All right, I set up my toolbox. I'm gonna rack this sucker up. So basically what we're gonna start is here. These two bolts here, and then the rest of the exhaust. Of course, we got to deal with all these guys, and yeah, shouldn't be too hard. But I'm gonna throw you guys on the GoPro head strap real quick so you can actually see what the hell I'm doing. All right, we're on the GoPro head strap. We can go ahead and grab us a ridiculous pry bar for no freaking reason, so we can open this guy up. Finally, I've been so excited to open this box, but I've been trying to keep myself from opening it. Open. Ooh. That's a pipe. Oh, buddy. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That is indeedly nice. These are my tips, I presume. Probably, yeah. Don't need that where we're going. Here's the black anodized pieces. The actual part that comes out the side of the truck. We got our clamps and flanges and all that stuff we need, all the hardware, and the muffler itself. It's so tiny. Oh my god, this thing is about to sound insane, I tell you what. Open. Oh buddy. Yeah, that's pretty small. That's really small, actually. Jesus. Like, if we just take this under the truck, like, compared to the stock one, holy hell, that is stupid. Well, let me get some tools about and figure out what we need here. All right, guys. So we're gonna need a 14mm and some sort of torque monster. Exhaust clamp, or not exhaust clamp, the little grommet guys remover for the exhaust. measuring tape and some form of cutting so you can cut your exhaust pipe. I just picked this up. I didn't even know these things existed. I thought it was pretty cool, but basically this piece, I already cut it, as you can see, but just wraps around there, then links into that, and you just spin her all day until it cuts it. But watch this. Oh, buddy. Well, that's cut. And we can take this out of here. Cool. That actually cut it pretty good too. Wow. Now we can actually start getting the damn exhaust off the truck. But yeah, we got her cut now. She's all good. This thing worked like a charm, but I just cleaned up the cut so I don't like put metal into my hand by accidentally touching it. So all that's left to do now is to take the old one off. Use his heavy hitter Milwaukee bud. So you could either use a swivel and like an impact maybe with the 13, or you can probably just use a electric. It's loud, but it's effective. So we got our bolts out. Like I said, you can either use one of these setups or like a swivel socket, like whatever you want to call it. I call them swivels, but swivel socket and a 13. Probably short, 13 short, probably work just fine. But those are the first two we got to deal with. Let's go back under here and see what we got to do next. So now that's free to move. I'm assuming you're supposed to take this off, which looks lots of fun. So let's go ahead and grab some Master Blaster, penetrating fluid, whatever you want to call it. This one just happens to be that brand because I'm at work and that's what we get. Should probably hit these two while I'm at it. Which one? Yeah. You're on the YouTubes, brother. Oh my God. This kid. Freaking goofy ass. Got another one back there. Okay. Well, that looks like it's gonna be fun and possibly may break. But let's just go ahead and see. It might be a 15 actually, but it might just be a 13. But I'm gonna bring both of them just in case. Oh yeah, that's a 15. Just rusty as shit. Yeah, that ain't moving. We're gonna need more ugga-duggas than that. Choo-choo-choo-choo-choo. Oh wait, no, it was a 15. That's right. That fits a little better. There we go. Okay. Now we can take this. Now, these Ford clamps love to do this. We're gonna need to tap-tap-a-roo a little bit. You can see I broke it loose already, but the clamp ain't releasing. There it goes. Yeah. More better. one up. There we go. Okay. I got that clamp off and I went ahead and loosened that and got this basically ready to come out. I just wanted to show you how these Ford exhaust systems work. You can see there's that little provision there for obviously sitting there and twist the pipe up, and that's how it gets locked in. But it's very rusty, so you're gonna need some penetrating fluid and some patience. But we got that. All I have left to do now is release the rest of these clamps, and I think it'll be coming out now. But obviously first I'll pull this down once I separate these two, and then I'll work on that. Okay, so go ahead and grab this exhaust, separate it fully. Whew, that was scary. Well, I guess the clamps came out. That's one piece of it. Not gonna lie, that's probably the easiest exhaust I've ever had to cut in my life. That really wasn't that bad. 2 bolts up there, clamp back here, plus fucking all the BS there, and then it really just slides out. Wow, I ain't mad about it. Okay, so now you guys already know what time it is. You always have to start it up with no exhaust, you know. Might piss off some of the people working today, but fuck. But my coworker did want to hear what it sounded like with no exhaust on it, so I'm gonna go get him, and then we'll start it up. Yeah, it's pretty simple setup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice. Well.
Leave it like that. Why even put a pipe on?
That is hilarious. Okay, we got the exhaust on the truck. I think we're good. I haven't tested for leaks yet because I wanted to start it first time on camera. So I think I'm gonna set this camera up somewhere, point it at the exhaust, and start it up. So I'll see you guys then. Crazy. Anyway, this exhaust actually don't sound too bad, and it's not ridiculously loud. I thought I made a mistake because the cold start was pretty bad, and I was like, oh my god, this thing is loud. But in the truck, it's not that big of a deal. You give it a little bit of gas, a little bit of noise. You really have to stomp on it pretty hard to make it like obnoxious. But we're about to hop on the highway here, so we shall see if there's drone or not. I'm hoping there's not going to be much drone, but as you can see, I'm sitting here having a conversation. It's not that big of a deal. But you step on it, gives you a little noise, but you really stomp on it. Don't sound too bad, honestly. See what happens at like 70. Roll the window up. Okay, there's a little drone. There's a little bit. But luckily for me, I got subwoofers and my music is almost always up, so that's not that big of a deal. You can't really get an exhaust nowadays with no drone. I'm sure there are some out there, but not for the price of this kit. As far as the kit went, I love everything about this kit for the most part. The only thing I would warn you about is the exhaust tips themselves. They're great quality, but the issue is Mbrp, they powder coated all of it, so the bit that you're supposed to use to tighten them down doesn't fit because there's a layer of powder coat on top of it. So you end up getting your socket stuck into the thing, and it was just a hassle, which was the reason why I didn't record it, because I was sitting there swearing and screaming and trying to get the damn thing out. But other than that, literally everything is so easy. The exhaust came out easy. The construction of everything seems really nice and went together pretty easy. The fit and finish is really good. It looks good on the outside of the truck. I'll probably show further of that once I get home. Get some good shots of it. And the sound, I really like the sound. I'm not mad at that at all. Gives you just a little bit more. I mean, the drone is nowhere near as bad as my Mustang was. But I'm not really all that worried about it. Like I said, as far as my truck's my daily, so I listen to music in it more than my Mustang I do, because the sound system of my Mustang isn't that great. It's a base model. But so far I really like it. But I'm gonna drive home. Once I get home, get some more outside footage of it, maybe some revs and stuff like that. But see you guys when I get home. All right guys, just got home. I'm gonna set up the camera near the exhaust and give you guys a couple revs. So it's actually got a good, nice sounding idle. I like that a lot. Where can I put this is the question. Maybe I can make this work. Yeah, that'll do. Alright, as you guys saw, it don't sound too bad, honestly, for a truck. Like, I mean, it's still the same motor that's in the Mustang, just different cams and stuff, but I like it a lot. I'm not really mad at all. Great purchase. I got it on Cyber Monday, and I'm not mad because I saved some money. What made me mad is that car over there that's hiding behind my dad's truck. The exhaust I got for it like a year ago was $800 at the time. They had it for sale on the site for like $400 bucks. I was like, that's like completely half off. I'm like, I wish I would have waited. I didn't know it'd be that or that cheap like a year later. That's crazy. But that's basically it for the video, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Yeah, I love the thing. I mean, it's still a truck at the end of the day, so I didn't want it to be like ridiculous, and I'm glad after driving it, it wasn't quite ridiculous like I was thinking it was gonna be, thank God. But that's basically it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.